Hello friends, my name is Catherine and today we are going to be painting a pattern on this goblet. I was at the dollar store the other day and they had these goblets there. So I grabbed one and we're going to paint it. We're going to dot mandala on it actually. I've got some paint set up. I've got some red, some orange, and some yellow. So this should be perfect for this, hopefully. Nice bright colors. And I've got some things to dot with. I've got this gougey thing. It's going to make a pretty good big dot. I've got the eraser of this pencil. I've got this bit of skewer, and I've got a actual dotting tool. So the first thing that we're going to do is take our goblet and turn it that way and dot some big round yellow dots right around the base here if we can. There we go. Let's see if we can't do them evenly apart. See if we can't get this to work out. All right. That is 4 relatively evenly spaced dots. And let's do another set just up the goblet from that. Oh, that one's running. So if we can't clean that up a bit, I don't want that one to run. There we go. That's better. Sort of, hopefully, maybe. We got something like dots going around the bottom there. Now let's grab this and do some dots about that size. There we go. This is actually coming along. Oop, that one started to run too. Let's just clean it up a bit. No. Okay. Ooh, I'm liking how that's turning out. There we go. Not a lot of talking going on in this one, but we'll see how it goes. This is actually turning out kind of fun. Let's see if we can see down into it from the top there. There we are. Let's see if we can't put a little bit more, fill in a little bit here around that base. I don't know how high I want it to come up the sides, but we'll probably just keep working on it until I'm satisfied. Almost dropped it there. That could have been bad. That had the potential to be bad. There we go. On 8. Maybe, maybe like that. Okay, and then something like this. Okay, that's getting more interesting. All right, and then let's actually grab our dotting tool and switch over to the orange again and just see if we can't do something a little more interesting on these taller ones. There we go. That's kind of coming along. Okay. Pretty good. Just kind of going around and dotting where it looks like it might be fun or interesting to dot. Just making it up as I go. That's the thing about these dot mandalas. So long as you're using repeating patterns, it doesn't really matter. As long as you repeat what you're doing all the way around, you can do whatever. That one got a little placed funky, but that's okay. And then then back to the great big yellow dots, I think. See if we can't steady it a little bit more. By placing it that way. You probably can't see what I'm dotting through my hand there. But I'm sure it'll all work out. Oh, that kind of smeared around. Let's just try that again. Okay. Just getting paint everywhere at this point. But this is turning out pretty interesting. So I'm not upset about it. I don't know, how does it look from the top down? That looks kind of fun. And then let's just right around that bottom rim there, I think. Let's just widen that out. Oh, you can't see that. There we go. And then a little bit wider. All right, and then it's getting paint everywhere. Okay, then maybe back to the orange so that we balance that out a little bit. Yeah, I'm liking that. All right, let's actually bring another orange dot up the side of this a little bit further. Just make that even more pronounced. And that, I think, might be done. What do you think? What do you guys think? Any good? Not too bad at least, right? That's kind of fun. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I'm always happy to hear from you. And remember to subscribe, and I will see you guys all later. Bye!